A lot of people ask with so many vacuum furnace manufacturers, why choose Hoyutek? Today, let me introduce our V-Series vacuum furnace, which uses graphite. This vacuum-resistant furnace uses tungsten, molybdenum, etc. as heating elements and is ideal for sintering, annealing, brazing, degreasing, outgassing, ceramics, cemented carbides, composites, stainless steel in vacuum or protective atmospheres. It can also handle high-temperature heat treatment of metals under high vacuum or degassing of precious metals. As you can see, our equipment has top-notch workmanship and materials. If you're watching and in need, come check out Hoyutek's factory.